A lot of people don't realize this, but the regional wastewater facility is the most important environmental protection step that the South Bay takes. So without this regional wastewater facility operating successfully, there would be raw sewage in the bay.
People flush their toilets, take a bath, wash their dishes, have no understanding of what happens after that. Little do they know that this facility is out there treating 100 million gallons a day. When you look at our department's mission, which is to ensure that to deliver world-class utility services, that's what the CIP is doing. They are supporting the wastewater facility to ensure that they can provide these essential services to the community.
Our CIP program is the largest program in the city. We are planning to spend $1.5 billion to rehabilitate the treatment plant. And we do all these while keeping the RWF running 24/7.
A lot of the projects at the CIP require multiple disciplines to be successful. And it's really very interesting to be able to work with people with lots of different backgrounds, lots of different skill sets. The cogeneration project will upgrade the electrical and heat producing equipment at the RWF. This project is going to improve operational reliability, energy efficiency, and allow us to continue to reuse.
We're using digester gas, which is gas that naturally occurs throughout the treatment process. And this gas is going to be used to run these engines and provide the heat and power that we need at the facility. So it's going to be a very innovative solution to using our resources and being very sustainable.
The waste energy coming out of the engines is used to heat up the digester sludge and also to provide facility cooling and heating. It's very satisfying to see projects from initial phases of planning all the way down to construction.
Thanks to this system, almost 50% of our energy is self-produced, and these are the newest state-of-the-art technology. By late fall this year, they will be fully operational.
I would just really like to say thank you to our staff and our partners for delivering on this project and making such an impact to our community, to the environment, and something that is going to be in place for decades. My grandchildren's grandchildren might use it. So we're pretty excited about that.